Hi, welcome back to another short lesson on conjunctions. Today we will go one step further. I hope you're ready. And if you like the lesson, do consider subscribing. Let's begin. Let's start with today's lesson. In the previous lesson, we learned what conjunctions are, why we use them, and how they can be used to join words, sentences, and parts of sentences. In this lesson, we will learn how to use each of the most common conjunctions. What are they? But, and, because, so, or. And in the previous lesson, I told you how to use these words. And. And shows addition. It is used to combine similar ideas. For example, I like to jog, I like to play. Two similar ideas. I like to jog and play. And notice that if you have the same words repeated in the next sentence, you can leave them out. You don't have to repeat them again. And you don't have to say, I like to jog and I like to play. You can just say, I like to jog and play. But, but shows contrast. It is used to combine two different things. I have an example for you. I want to go to the mall. My sister wants to go for a movie. Two different things. So when you have two different things, you have a contrast, you use the conjunction but, like this. I want to go to the mall, but my sister wants to go for a movie. Because. Because gives you a reason for something. For example, I came home early. I had an assignment to complete. Now, you have a reason here. I came home early. Why did I come home early? Because I had an assignment to complete. There's a reason. I came home early because I had an assignment to complete. So also gives a reason. He cannot understand geometry. He hired a tutor. He cannot understand geometry, so he hired a tutor. The little comma is here, don't forget that. I could have joined these sentences in a different way. I hope you got that too. He hired a tutor because he cannot understand geometry. I can also say it that way. Or. Or gives an option or choice. So if there is a choice, you can use the conjunction or. Like this. I could go to Spain, I could go to Africa. There's a choice there, an option there. I could go to Spain or Africa. Got it? The conjunctions or, because, and, but, and so are called coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are those that combine ideas, they join ideas. Let's see how well you have understood the lesson. Fill in the blanks with the correct conjunction. You can use and, so, because, but, or. The first one, I ran all the way to the bus stop, dash, I was afraid that I would miss the bus. Which one would you use here? Because. The second one, you should study hard, dash, you will fail. What do you think you should use here? Or is the answer. The third one, I went to the store, dash, I bought some biscuits. Let's see if you got it right. The answer is and. The fourth one, I ran to the bus stop, dash, I missed the bus. What do you think? But. And the last one, the lights went off, dash, I lit a candle. This is the easiest because only one word is left. So it is so. I do hope you got them all right, because if you got them all right, it means that you have understood today's lesson very well. My next video will have the next lesson on conjunctions. So let's meet again so you can watch that one and learn. Until we meet again, keep practicing hard. Bye.